On December 21st, 2024, Police Sergeant Lewis initiated a traffic stop after he observed the driver, Jailen, fail to stop at a stop sign. He also observed the driver operate the vehicle in excess speeds and nearly striking pedestrians crossing the roadway. Jailen said he did not have a driver's license and asked why he was being pulled over. As he made movements, Sergeant Lewis observed a firearm in Jailen's front waistband. When asked to step out of the car, Jailen refused. Sergeant Lewis grabbed his arm in efforts to remove him, and Jailen physically resisted.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No.
Turn the car off. Turn the car off.
Turn the car off.
He's got a gun. He's got a gun. He's got a gun.
Hey, let me see your hand. Let me see your hand.
11, start.
Act 31 on Leo, West Palm.
I copy, Act 31 on Leo.
North on Spruce.
North on Spruce.
East on 25.
Hey, this is 4, just 14. Signal 4 on me. What's your description? It's going to be a gray Nissan Altima. West Palm, doing all County Bovo. Vehicle is last northbound on Broadway from 25. I lost it.
I copy at 1318.
9-20-26, so Lewis, 11, coming over from Congress. I'll check. Is it Nissan Altima, you said?
10-4, Nissan Altima, black male, dreads. He had a 0 in his waistband.
What color?
Gray.
I got somebody saying Southland Dixie right now from 25.
$13.19.
15 minutes later, the officers located the vehicle.
Going 97.
Just stand by with this.
Alright, 10-4.
Good.
Mother has
Understood. I'm on, so.
It's okay that you're on.
Good job, Rita.
I literally told him, I was like, if that car
You want a pat on the back?
and the RO is,
Come from
like, it has to be right here.
Right, and the other one's got to be around somewhere.
It's just, oh,
Good night, show up units come from Dixie.
As officers inspected the vehicle, Octavia walked out of the apartment and told an officer that it was her son who was running from the police.
I don't know, but he's not going to run from you.
You're good.
He just wanted to come to me because I was in the house.
Y'all scared me, both man.
Just hush. Just hush.
I've got Sergeant Lewis as suspect 1012. His mother just walked him over to us.
Yeah.
All right.
Listen, please don't hurt myself.
No, we're not. He's in handcuffs. We're good.
It's mine. It's mine.
It's your car?
It's mine.
Okay. All right.
He didn't do it.
All right. Let's go in the car real quick.
Where on my line?
400 block, right in front of 439 Lilac. Black male, black hoodie, gray sweatpants, and blue sandals, and dreads and glasses.
Got the vehicle over here too, in the parking lot behind 421 Lilac.
You looking at me because you know you tried to shoot me, bro.
All right, 10-4. Mother has the signal 0 that the male had on him.
What are they going to do to him? I'm just so scared. He's scared and I'm scared. I'm not going to lie to you.
Yeah.
My son is scared.
Okay.
He hasn't been out. He got shot like 2 years ago in a home in a bad neighborhood. He hasn't been out. He need help, but y'all scared him. The gun just probably caused a reaction when he said he want to go to his mama. He came in screaming, saying y'all was gonna kill him, and I did it for him. So I told him to wait. He said, "Mom, you gotta take me and turn me in." I just asked the officers to come home to my mama, and that's all he wanted to do. And when the guy, he said, "Mom," he seen your thing on the side, and he just said, "Oh, you got a gun, pull." And he pulled the gun out. He was scared. He panicked. You know, I've never been in no trouble since he was young.
Gotcha. Yeah, Mom came out. She's like, "Oh, what are you guys doing?" I was like, "Nothing. We're just cooling." So I get in the car about to leave. She like taps on the window. She's like, "Hey, it was my son that just took off on you guys." I was like, "Took off on what?" She's like, "In the silver Nissan." And,
Do we have somebody back there with the car?
Yeah, DeMartini's with the car. I think Burrito's back there too. I told DeMartini to stay with the car.
They stop.
You know my kid.
You know what I'm saying?
You know my kid fighting over a truck in the back.
It's crazy.
Fighting over the
My
truck.
car is messed up.
And I ain't dead yet. They fighting.
I don't even know he was driving my car. You know what I mean?
no.
That boy's got crying on him, so he got shot. When she done, his head go off.
Gotcha. He's gonna be coming with us. Do you want to say something before we take off?
Y'all can take it forever?
Not forever. No. But he's under arrest for what happened today.
Okay, what they gonna charge you?
That
Are they gonna be easy?
That I don't
He
know.
said he hit two police cars. They have to
He
take it
didn't
back.
mean to.
What do you mean he didn't mean to?
Man,
Mom, he didn't.
Miss Felder.
Okay, I'm calm.
He's gonna have his time. He's gonna have his day in court to explain his side of the story. It feels like it, but I assure you, it's not the end of the world. He's not going to prison for the rest of his life.
It's the end of the world.
Or anything like that. But there are consequences to
I
the
know,
actions
and
that we
then
take.
that's why he's supposed to pay for him. I don't want it to be the end of the world for him.
For sure.
That's all. You know, I'm raising a young person. I don't want it to be the end of the world for my son. I did all I can to get him to where he is.
You want to speak with him before we take off?
They gotta take you down. So just hang in there. I don't know. I don't know what he's charged you with. Just be calm. Don't fight, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Please. It's okay. I know. Look, just calm down. Sit back. Relax. They're not gonna harm you. Just sit back. These guys are okay. Sit back, baby. Sit back. Calm down, please. Okay? Sit back. Calm down. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. Listen, it's okay. They know you're not violent. They know you're not like this. Just calm down. Okay? Just be calm. Don't go in there crying. Be calm. They're gonna do what they can.
I'm gonna take him to St. Mary's for medical clearance.
Okay. Yeah, since he was in a wreck.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Where's the rookie going?
Just up ahead.
Just be calm for these.
Grab your thing on my hood.
Oh yeah.
They're not gonna be like that, right? I know you thought the officers was at you, but they not. Just calm down. It's because they seen the gun, baby.
Reach for the map. You gonna tell me what?
Just calm down.
Oh, I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear it. I'll take the charge. I don't care for it. But you're not gonna tell me that, man. Shoot me, bro.
Right.
I'm not hearing that. I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that. I don't. But please walk away. I don't want to talk to them.
Okay.
I'm done talking. I'm not gonna lie. I'm done talking.
Get your issues too.
Okay.
Just for my
Thank you. Yeah. Look, he's good. No one's gonna harm him.
Y'all, you can look his record. If
Yeah.
you need help with a medical response,
Okay.
if you got
11 Thomas phone. I'm gonna have a 10:15 on board. We're gonna be 51 to St. Mary's for medical clearance. Hey, Noel. I just need that car moved when you guys have a minute. No rush.